Hi everyone, it's Deb. Last night on my live stream, which was Thursday, January 6th, I shouldn't say last night because I'm not sure this will go up on Friday, but anyway, we made 2 cards with this Calming Camellia, which is a Sale-a-Bration host only item for an order of, or a party of $300 or more. You can get this beautiful Calming Camellia. We made a vintage style card. And we also made this using the Friendly Hello Designer Series paper in Sale-a-Bration. So you can watch them if you go back and rewatch my live. You'll see those cards. But I wanted to make sort of a non-Valentine Valentine card with the lovely you and the I love being your friend. You know, we have friends that we should express our heartfelt love to as well. So that's what I'm going to do, and I decided I'm going to use Blackberry Bliss. Now I didn't make one ahead of time. I started to, and I thought I'm just going to do this together with you. This is a regular A2 8.5 by 4 1/4, scored it that's not right, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And then I did cut a piece of the new vellum. This time I'm using the one with the white print, sort of newspaper print. And I'm trying to make sure I don't have the words upside down this time. Yeah, this way. And we're going to go ahead and tack that down with just a couple glue dots. And I'm going to put them sort of in the center. Not a little off center actually. Oops. Just a couple glue dots. And I might have to use one in a few other places, but for now that's all I'm going to put on there. And I may stick one over here. Yes, I will. I'll put one over here as well. And I may have to put one in the corner. See, I don't want it sticking up like this, but I'm trying to get it somewhere where I can put an embellishment or something and not have it show so much. Alright, that's what we're going to start with. Then I have this piece of paper. This is out of the pack of paper called Pattern Party. It's in the annual catalog host item. And I'm going to put this down here, and I think I'm going to use my seal for that. I don't usually do that, but because I'm putting it on vellum, I'm going to. So let's just put that down. Now this piece is cut. Let me just tell you the measurement. So this is 5 1/4 by 4, 5 1/4 by 4. This piece is 4 1/4 by 3. And we'll just put one in the middle there. And I'm going to put that over here to cover up those glue dots pretty well. Then I took another piece of Blackberry Bliss. And I didn't measure this, but this is using the Scallop Contour dies. They're in the annual catalog, page 158. They're part of a bundle, but I can't read what that bundle is at the moment. Anyway, it's this size, and I did that in Blackberry Bliss, and we're just going to put that in the middle here. Now that I'll glue down. Haven't decided yet on the embellishments, but you'll see what we're going to do with the camellia. So far we haven't put any camellia down, right? Alright, here's what I did. I stamped it on basic white in Blackberry Bliss, and I'm going to put that up here. And then actually I'm going to have that go this way. Then this is going to go down here, and then I stamped from the stamp set Lovely You. And that's going to come down here and go across like this. I'm trying to debate whether to have cardstock behind that too, but I think that'll be too big. Yeah, I don't want to do that. But what I think I will do is take my Blackberry Bliss Stampin' Right marker and go around the edges. Right? I'm really loving the vellum with the patterns, and that's in the mini catalog. I'll have to look up the page number again, but I just want to give this a little color because it's going partly over the vellum, and I'm trying to decide. I think the only thing I'm going to pop up will be this, and then you'll see what we'll do on the inside. I'm just going around the edges. Now there is a line around on the inner part of this. If you wanted to, you could take a ruler and also draw a line there to really make that pop. But I'm not very good at straight lines, so I'm not going to do that. All right. Now this one I'm actually going to glue down, and I want it about where it is there. So let me go ahead and do that. Right about like that. And I'm going to glue this one down too. Now I'm not the best fussy cutter. I did leave some white on it because there's a lot of little specks and things. I'm going to cover up the stem of the other one. All right. And then this one we'll put up on dimensionals if I can figure out what I just did with them. They're probably in this drawer, but if they are, they slid back. I'll be right back. Sorry about that. My dimensionals got buried in a drawer. And I didn't want to waste your time while I was looking for them. There we go. And I just put 3 on. And like I said, I haven't decided on embellishments yet, but we'll do the inside of the card first. I'm going to put that right, I should have had that up just a little bit. That's all right. We can maybe put a bow here of some sort. Okay, so now let's do our inside, and then we'll come back and embellish the outer part of this. So we have a You Make Me Smile, but I want to use I Love Being Your Friend, and that is going to be in Blackberry Bliss. I'll try it. I don't know if I'll get edges or not. I pushed a little hard on that, so let's not push too hard here. Okay, perfect. And then I'm going to bring in Soft Succulent. I actually think I used Evening Evergreen on that. I can't remember if I used Evening Evergreen or Soft Succulent, but I'm going to use Soft Succulent for the inside. And I'm going to bring in some scrap. And we're going to use that same leaf part here. Actually, yeah, let's do that. It's not quite so big. We're going to stamp off. We did this last night too. Yeah. And actually, I might stamp off. Let me see. No, just one stamp off. Okay. And we're just going to put it right over that. I Love Being Your Friend. Like that. And that is it. You could stamp off, if you have a little bit darker color, stamp off twice, and you'll just get a nice faint. My eye kind of got buried in there. And then we'll put that on the inside of the card. You could also put a strip of this paper in. I don't want to cut it, so we'll just do it like this. I don't want to cut just a little strip off a big sheet of paper, which is what I'd have to do. And there we have our inside of our card. Now let me put this ink away. Let's figure out some embellishments. I'll be right back again. Okay, I found some rich raspberry sequins. The other thing we could have done is use Blackberry Bliss Stampin' marker and colored either some pearls or some rhinestones. But I have these to use. They're out of the Artistry Blooms adhesive back sequins, and they are in the annual catalog on page 143. And let me just get something. Actually, I'll just use my fingers. I'm going to put one here. Oops, that's a little big. Down too far. I'm going to put one up here. And then maybe a smaller one that's not broken. Let's see. Somewhere up here. I'm going to use a few more because I have a whole nother pack of these. I'll put this one, if I can get it off of me, over here. You can use your take your pick tool to do this. And this one, I'll put, I'm going to put it right next to that one, actually. There. That is our card. I've still not decided whether I want a bow here. We could actually use this little check black and white check ribbon, but I'm not really feeling that. The Blackberry Bliss that didn't carry over ribbon would be good. Maybe a little bit of this twine. No. The other thing maybe is soft succulent shimmer ribbon, sheer ribbon, open weave ribbon. Maybe a little bit of that. Just a little knot bow, right? Let's do that and put that right here. Adds a little extra sparkle. And I'll cut this one this way too. Oops. Cut it crooked. There. Okay. And now I need a glue dot, and we're just going to put that right here. Right on that stem there, because I don't like that space right there. There we go. There's our card. Isn't that beautiful? I think it is. And it's sort of vintage, but not with torn edges and stuff like that, like I was doing last night. Yeah, really pretty. Beautiful card, I think. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below whether you like that card or not. I certainly do. Of course, I made it, so yeah. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll try to remember to put the measurements of everything down in the description box below. I don't know if I'll get this out on my blog. I'm very bad about that. I haven't done that for a while, and I have it in my actions for the future to do that, but I don't know if I'll quite make that. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again next time. Bye for now.